Hello everybody! Welcome to Marathon with Arts! Today, we're gonna make Lumpiang Shanghai! For lunch, let's begin! For our ingredients, we need Lumpiang Shanghai meat and lumpia wrapper. Let's begin. First, we need to cut the Shanghai wrapper because it's too big. And then we add the meat. Let's go. And then we're going to make the Shanghai. We're done wrapping the Shanghai. It's fun. Now I'm gonna ask Mommy and Daddy to help me cook. Let's cook. We're done cooking the Shanghai. Now let's taste it. It smells a lot.
Is it crunchy?
Yes,
It's okay.
it's crunchy. And masala. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like,